Welcome. If you're looking to update your gender information on Instagram using the PC app and want to know exactly how to do it with the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can quickly and easily change your gender on Instagram right from your computer. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Find the one labeled More. It's usually at the bottom of the menu. Click on it to expand a list of additional options. From this expanded menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all sorts of account preferences. Here, look for the option that says Edit Profile and click on it. This is where you can update your personal details like your name, username, and of course, your gender. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Gender. You'll notice a drop-down menu or a set of options where you can select your preferred gender. Click on the current gender displayed and choose the one that best fits you from the list. Instagram now offers more inclusive options, so you can select what feels right for you. After you've made your selection, look for the Submit button at the bottom of the page. Click on it to save your changes. You should see a confirmation message letting you know your profile has been updated successfully. And that's it. You've just changed your gender on Instagram using the PC app with the latest update. It's a quick and simple process, but it's always good to know exactly where to find these settings, especially with new updates rolling out. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tutorials for the latest tips and tricks on Instagram and other social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.